Hi friends! Would you like to read this really special Bluey Christmas book with me? Okay. It's called Hooray! Presents. It's present time for Bluey and her family. And you can see there's lots of family over, and there's a Christmas tree and lots of presents. Dad gets a new apron. I thought I was the world's best chef. See, he's got a beautiful apron to cook with. And Uncle Stripe gets one too. Another world's best chef. Oh, maybe there are two best chefs in the world, huh? Muffin and Socks love their new pool lilos. Pizza! And this one looks like a deserted island. Oh, that would be fun to play with in the pool. There's also a t-shirt for Nana. What does it say? It says, "Hang on, I'll just get my glasses." But she needs her glasses to read it. That's quite funny. It's Bingo's turn. What did she get? Yes, a doctor's bag. She's got a doctor's kit there. She looks really surprised and really happy. There's one more present under the tree. This is a pretty tree. And look, there's one more present. I wonder who it's for. Let's turn the page and find out. It's for Bluey! Wow, I love him. Oh, look. It looks like a little toy. Oh, isn't Bluey lucky? And there's Bluey wearing her hat for Christmas. I hope you'll join me for another story.